Hello friends, after class 12 in commerce, there is this holy trinity of C's, Chartered Accountant, Cost Accountant, Company Secretary, which are institutions established by Act of Parliament. Ideally, a cost accountant should have the same demand in the industry as much as a chartered accountant. But the fact of the matter is that in the private sector specifically, a chartered accountant is more valued than a cost accountant. I talked to my wife who does a lot of this recruitment activities. A lot of her clients who have give her mandates for recruitment, if they want a chartered accountant with 2 years of work ex, they will want a cost accountant with 5 years of work ex for that similar band, for that similar salary. In some cases, they will say, I want only chartered accountants. They will not accept CVs of cost accountants there. Strange as it might sound, because the curriculum is quite contemporary. In fact, I will say that it is more difficult, if not equal, as compared to chartered accountancy. But then that perception is that, okay, cost accountant is 2 notches lower than that of a chartered accountant. If the private sector considers cost accountants in good salaries, it is only for remote locations in factories where they want SAP and controllership experience. So FMCG companies recruit a lot of cost accountants, but generally they will give them remote location postings, you know, Baddi in Himachal Pradesh, or Pantnagar in Uttaranchal, or Guwahati, or maybe traveling involving internal audit jobs. Why is that difference? Very difficult. If you are a cost accountant and if you get placed in a public sector enterprise like a Coal India or an Indian Oil or a Gas Authority of India Limited, you will get the same salary, the same band as that of a chartered accountant. But in the private sector, this perception gap remains, and once you plunge into this course or you are already there, you will realize that this difference is there. And rather than living in a state of denial, let's accept this reality, because that perception might change over a period of time, that doing chartered accountancy is more difficult as compared to cost accountancy. That might not be correct, but yes, that perception today exists amongst the vast majority of employers. So by the time that perception changes, maybe you will become old, and therefore your whole career has gone through and you've not benefited from that primary degree of yours, which might be cost accountancy. It is always good that if you can complement chartered accountancy with cost accountancy, so that in the eventuality that your CA final does not go through, you're at least a cost accountant. Even, you know, that difference in perception remains, but having a cost accountancy as your primary degree and not getting into the public sector, vying for jobs along with a chartered accountant neck to neck, might become a bit difficult. So I'm not saying this with a sense of certitude, because of course each individual's journey will be very, very unique, but broadly this remains one trend. So people have this notion about cost accountants, difficult to change in the short run. What do you think about this notion? Please tell me in the comment section below and I'll be happy to discuss. Thank you. Bye-bye.